In this video, I'll show you how you can research any topic. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, when it comes to researching a topic effectively involves a systematic approach, right? Here is a step-by-step guide to how you can conduct a thorough research for any topic. At first, what you need to do, you need to define the project, right? You need to narrow down. You need to start with a good broad subject and narrow it down to a specific question or area of interest. You need to formulate questions, right? Then you need to create a guiding questions to help you focus on your research. Then the second way is to gather background informations, right? Under this, you can use some general sources like the encyclopedias, the articles, the introductory text to gain a foundational understanding of the topic. Then under this background information, you can identify the key terms, right? You need to know the important terms and concepts that are frequently mentioned. Then you need to develop a research plan. That is the very third way, right? You choose a research method, either a qualitative or a quantitative, or maybe a fixed method. Then under this development of a research plan, you need to set goals, right? Set some good goals. You need to establish what you aim to learn from your research. Then the fourth way you can research on any topic is to identify reliable sources. Under this, you can identify them through academic databases, books and journals, reputable websites. The fifth way you can research on a topic is through conducting your own personal research, right? Through taking notes, through organizing information. The sixth way is through evaluating sources. Under this, you can check credibility, you can look for bias, right? Under this, that is the seventh way on which you can research on any topic is through analyzing your own findings, right? Under analyzing your own findings, you can walk through identifying different patterns and synthesize with different informations. The eighth way is through citing your own sources, right? Cite your sources. You can use a citation style like the APA, that is American Psychological Approach, the MLA, the Chicago, etc. Make sure your works are properly cited, right? The ninth way you can research on any topic is through review and revise. That is reviewing and revision, right? Reflect on your research work, refer, um, reflect on your research work, yeah. Then revise your approach. Then the tenth way and the very last way is to present your findings. Yeah, once you're done with your work, you can organize your work and communicate clearly. By following these steps, you can conduct a comprehensive research on any topic, leading to a well-informed conclusion and insight. This is how you can properly research on any topic. Ensure you look through this, ensure you take a pen and paper and jot through this, right? Take all these notes down. And let me know if you found this video helpful. Share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.